What's up, you guys? My name is Nia, and today we are getting some deep cleaning done around my apartment using a few items from PaperBird, which is a ShopRite brand and exclusive to ShopRite and partner retailers. What I love about PaperBird is that it has quality products that my family can count on at an affordable price. I'll be sharing how I like to use these items to deep clean and tackle areas I'm not always able to get to on an everyday basis. As the seasons change, allergies can quickly become a problem, so I'm using the PaperBird 360 Duster Kit to deep clean my living room fan. To make sure the dust doesn't spread everywhere, I'm adding a few sprays of their multi-purpose cleaner with bleach and watch how much dust and dirt I'm able to pick up. Continuing with this dynamic duo, I'm going to deep clean my baseboards and chair rails to collect any dust and dirt that is piled up over the months. Because the multi-purpose cleaner has bleach in it, I feel like it also helps to brighten the baseboards, making them look brand new again. Now let's tackle those random scuff marks on the walls. I'm going to be using the PaperBird Extra Strength Eraser to wipe everything away. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is add a little bit of water and watch the scuff marks come off the wall. This product is great for removing crayon marks and other dirt and grime that tends to build up over time. The Extra Strength Eraser can be used in bathrooms, kitchens, and on both floors and walls. If you are looking for quality products at an affordable price, head to your local ShopRite to stock up on all the household and cleaning products from PaperBird today.